आयज ते चड जाता लायट तुजें आयज परत आमची एक्सपर्ट कमिटीची मिटींग आयज जाल्ली पयलीं प्रश्न आशिल्लो थोडे कडेन बेडाची कॅपॅसिटी आनी इतर कांय गोश्टी लोकांचो प्रश्न सदां आसतलो पूण आयज आमी चडसो लोक आमचो आयज होम आयसोलेशन ऑप्ट करता त्याच बरोबर आमकां बेड कॅपॅसिटी बी सफिशियंट बेड कॅपॅसिटी सद्या आसा आनी आमचे ट्रिटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल वॉट इज द ट्रिटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल दॅट वी वॉन्ट टू यूज सेक्रेटरी ऑल्सो हॅज हॅड लॉट ऑफ रिव्यू मिटिंग्स टू सी दॅट द होम आयसोलेशन केसीस and the methodology that is used is further strengthened. So Secretary himself has had a review with all the thing where the calls are going, where the calls are not going, how many calls, how we are able to increase the number of calls. So all these things are being monitored by Mr. Amit Satija. That side, Dean Goa Medical College has also offered that he is going to sit with the third year MBBS students and they have also offered to help so that they can also be a part of this calling of the patients and trying to see what is the situation of the home isolation patients. As far as the home isolation kits are concerned, thorough distribution is going on and monitored by Goa Medical College and Director DHS Dr. Disa. We have also said that this is to be continued in a method which is very methodical, and also we are trying to understand what is happening. Also the death audit that happened, I think Secretary and Dean Goa Medical College has also done a thorough study of that to see what is the age group, comorbidity, when they came, how they came, what were the age groups. Yes, great data we are compiling and doing a thorough study as far as Goa Medical College is concerned. And from the DHS side, we are ensuring that GMC and DHS works in a very coordinated manner, and so that we have no issue in terms of coordination and managing of COVID-19 is concerned. There were several today deliberations between the experts and all of us. In Goa, we have found in most of the cases, the remdesivir today has been already approved by FDA as one of the drugs for COVID-19. And also, we have found that plasma in a combination of remdesivir and maybe in certain proportion of steroids has given us excellent results. So we are going ahead with this protocol as far as Goa is concerned. Also, it was discussed that remdesivir should be given immediately when the patient is admitted within a specific period of time. And during that period of time, even if plasma is administered, it helps in raising the saturation level and further damage to the lungs as far as this protocol is concerned. And Goa, we are going to go by the same protocol. Nowhere it has said that you cannot use. Protocols may keep changing, but with our experience of experts from the private sector and from the government sector, we are going to have our own protocol where we are able to save lives of people and take it forward. Today, as far as Goa is concerned as a government, and this state government is doing all it can to see that we are able to save lives of people. We are able to also ensure that thorough monitoring of home isolation is done. Just now we had a discussion that post-COVID complications also are going to be digitized and monitored. Post-COVID complications now under Dr. Durga Lavande and under supervision of the Dean and under supervision of Secretary Health, who will overall take a view, and Director DHS. We are also seeing that a lot of people come with post-COVID complications. Post-COVID complications also need to be monitored. It is not only just for few days, but also when the call will go was discussed today. Counselors also being put into in the field in order to counsel the patients undergoing home isolation, because also it will include about safety of the elderly people who are in that house when this home isolation patient is in home isolation. A lot of people are developing fibrosis, post-COVID complications. So Ayush protocol is already been brought out by Government of India. In addition to that, there is a protocol, certain amount of steroids also are given to the patient. So all these things, right from the medication, right from everything, for post-COVID I'm talking about. Already in South Goa District Hospital, we have started the post-COVID treatment and post-COVID ward. So everywhere such patients, at the moment under Durga Lavande itself, there are around 60 patients over these number of months. She's got, as of now. So basically what we are trying to say is that people having any kind of issues, even after after this particular period of isolation, then we need to monitor them. And we want to monitor them and have all this data at the tip of our fingers so that we know tomorrow if there's a spike, then how do we deal with that situation? How do we deal with everything? So ultimately, आमचे टेस्टिंगची फॅसिलिटी बी जे आहा ते आमी वी वॉन्ट टू कीप इट एट मिनिमम 2500 आमचे मातशे थोडे ड्रॉप जाल्ले टेस्टिंग फॅसिलिटी ते टेस्टिंग परत एकदा decision घेतले आम्ही that testing should be at anywhere between 2000 and 2500. This has been already discussed with the Chief Minister. And most importantly is that if there is a person who is positive and he is under home isolation, then we have also discussed today that in how much period the other members of the family should be tested. Is it immediately or is it after 48 hours? That SOP will be issued by the Dean and Director DHS in consultation with Secretary Health. And most important is त्यांचे डायरेक्ट कॉन्टॅक्ट गांवचो गांव असं टेस्ट करून अर्थ काय ना त्याचे भोवती जे ताबडतोब कोण आयले तांकां आनी ऑल्सो व्हडल्यो कंपनीज जे इफ दे वॉन्ट टू टेस्ट द पीपल दे शूड टाय अप विथ अ प्रायवेट लॅब नॉट विथ द गव्हर्मेंट दिस इज मेंट ओनली फॉर द सिटीजन्स and also we will not be, if any particular citizen feels he wants to be tested in the PHC, CHC, then he should be allowed to go and get himself tested. That is something that director will issue instructions and take it forward. Overall, I feel that we are much better in a situation today, and every week we are trying to see mortality has also come to a single digit, and we are trying to see, and there is, if any media feels there's any data not there, there is no question, because we are digitizing everything using Goa Electronics. Everything will be available at the tip of the finger. Our doctors who are present here, our secretary is there, Dean Goa Medical College, Dr. Disa, and our doctors, nodal officers, Uday Kakodkar and Dr. Vishwajit Faldesai from ESI Hospital, Dr. Rajesh Padil, Sudhana Amolkar and Dr. Deepa Kuria from Madgaon, Dr. Vikas from Ponda, and all our team of doctors of Goa Medical College and DHS are putting all the effort and in ensuring that we are able to deal with COVID-19 in a very professional and a very methodical manner. Also, instructions have been given to them that in case after 10 days or 12 days, in case they find or within that period, they find that the condition, though the person, he has got some symptoms, they should not waste time. As a precautionary measure, they should shift that home isolation patient to the medical facility. So this will help in saving more lives, so that he doesn't come in a state of breathlessness or any other situation. So this is the things that we have discussed today. And I think the treatment protocol that is being adopted by us is pretty good. And we are, and also, lot of times I read also that, many times you must be feeling why certain things are not done, why suddenly this will keep on evolving. These protocols for SOPs for COVID-19, nobody can have a hardcore, this is it and this is how it has to be done. It will keep on changing, and it will change day because if you look at somebody last time also mentioned in London the cases, the secretary was here, that suddenly there was a spike. We also have to see that our testing doesn't drop. Our testing should be at minimum 2,000 to 2,500, which should be the minimum testing per day, and that is how we are going to maintain it. Instructions have been given in writing. I have also sent notes yesterday. I have taken the Chief Minister also into confidence, and ultimately, if this is done, then we'll be able to keep Goa safe. You also know that a lot of these hotels and clubs and nightclubs have been not following norms, and as a result of which we have taken it up very aggressively with the collectors, that they should ensure that these clubs and all must mention 50% only they can have those people. Whatever those SOPs of Government of India should be strictly followed. State SOPs are also there. They cannot have people without masks. They cannot have no social distancing. And those videos which came are very shameful. Actually, the people, the owners is not on the government all the time, and not on like secretary or myself. Every time people feel that what is the administration doing? The onus is also on the owners of these particular nightclubs, and also on the individual that is visiting nightclub. If you don't wear masks and you go, I am telling you till today, you pass by in Panjim or you pass by for evening walks or morning walks, you find nobody wearing masks. People, that is up to you. You want to not wear masks and you want to just do whatever is told, you want to defy it, then there's nothing that we can do. Young people are being given plasma as we speak, because that is what is the situation. And as a result of which, nightclub is not the only thing that drives Goa's tourism. Tourism has got restaurants, tourism has got hinterland tourism, there are multiple ways of marketing tourism, but that is what I took up with the Honorable Chief Minister, who was very, heard me, and also said that he will ask, and he also had made a statement that the Home Department will monitor this, and it is very important for the Home Department to monitor this. Excise Department also is monitoring it, and we need to see that, and also owners has to be on the owners of these type of facilities and these type of clubs, and the individual who goes there. They are not children who go there, they are already adults. It is on them. And as a result of which, they must mention, they must wear masks, they must sanitize their hands, they must keep social distancing. Ultimately, we are going through a pandemic. And it is also being said that this pandemic is not going to get over as early as we predicted that it should be. So nobody knows. Answers nobody knows. Only thing what we can do, take safety measures and continue tourism, ensure that people come to Goa, enjoy Goa, but also keep safety features in mind. That is very important. That's all I have to say today. Thank you.
The day we tested, we got 187 positives. There were only 747 tests. Secondly, the thing is, initially we were testing around 3,000, 2,600, 3,000. Why the number has come down?
Because we have also taken, see,
answer. The graph has gone down, but it is really gone down, or it is because of the testing is less?
टेस्टिंग लेस अशें म्हणू शकना, कित्याक आमी ठरयल्लें आसा की व्हडल्यो कंपनी बी पयलीं आमचे कडेन जे येताले तांकां सांगलां तुमी प्रायवेट लॅब कडेन वचून दे कॅन अफोर्ड टू टेस्ट द पीपल. आवर्स इज फॉर द पीपल ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. So automatically, if he says that it is come down by 5, but I, as a part of this government, we ourselves are saying that we need to maintain about 2,000 to 2,500. Say around about 2,000 it should not drop below 2,000. It may not happen, but that does not mean testing has. It does not mean that testing has gone down or testing, because testing is still happening in private labs. So we will now we have the power to take the information from private labs, also number of testing that is taking place, to share it with you whenever we are here. So it is important. Why should the government spend for companies who can afford, multinational companies? They can test their own employees. Now tomorrow Mopa construction, every day they wanted to bring 250 people here to test. Why should I test? They can afford to test themselves by tying up with a private lab. So basically, also another thing is travelers. Testing has been stopped, and people also should come forward to test. चडशे कितें जालां तुमकां सांगता, प्रॉमिनंट लोक जे आहा ते आपल्या घराचेर स्टिकर लावंक सोदिना आनी म्हणून भायर सरना. सो ह्यो गोश्टी आमी तांकां सांगूंक शकना न्ही. तेणी येवन टेस्ट करून घेवंक जाय. आमचे कडेन जे कोण येता आमी तेंचे टेस्ट करून घेता. ते ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्ले आसा. What you are saying is that large number of companies today, they have tied up with the respective private labs and they are doing it. Our job is to test the citizens. And
private labs are required to notify the government number of tests conducted as well as the...
We can get you that information also.
No,
what we are talking.
also reflect in the bulletin. No? I think they must be informing the DHS.
Is it?
Yeah, all the tests, any laboratory which is doing the test, antigen test or the RT-PCR test, they have to upload it on the portal.
National portal.
Every case.
ICMR
with the Aadhaar card and all, they have to upload it on the portal.
Okay, but then that figure doesn't reflect.
No, all that is reflected here.
Because the question was like...
I got the question. I also said, that's why I said from the beginning, as a state government, we should not drop below 2,000. 2,000 to 2,500 should be a minimum testing per day.
So the bulletin contains the private test also.
That's what doctors say.
Yeah,
So what
Even then the tests are dropped.
even if the tests are dropped,
The test is dropped.
confirm that.
you should confirm. One sec.
When you say 747 tests done, 187, it is 20% of the positivity.
The day which you are quoting is normally Saturdays and Sundays. Generally, you will see that on Sundays the numbers are a little less across the country because people come forward. That particular day when you are saying 700 something, that's why I think Sunday. So
Yeah, even then there are, on an average, only 1,200 tests.
yeah.
I agree with you. That's why I just have said just now that we have moved a note also that we should ensure that the person who's tested under home isolation, what is the SOP for testing his full family, and also what is his contact tracing, to what extent we will go. Those SOPs should be framed immediately so that we do not drop below 2,000 to 2,500. Minimum 2,000 tests a day for a state like Goa, we have to conduct the tests. We cannot drop. So this has been already being addressed. I have already taken it up 3-4 days back. Secretary was also, we have already discussed this. I have discussed it with the Chief Minister. इतले हेजे पोना वचून अर्थ ना. हे टेस्टिंग जावंक जाय. टेस्टिंग जाल्यारूच आमकां खरें पिक्चर कितें आहा तें एक्झॅक्टली कळटलें. टेस्टिंग जेन्ना रेट देंवता न्ही, आतां तुवें जे प्रश्न विचारले तुका एक ऑनस्ट आन्सर दिता. टेस्टिंग जेन्ना देंवता ऑटोमॅटिकली नंबर ऑफ केसीस बी देंवतले. आनी तेज्या खातीर आमकां एक फॉल्स सेन्स ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन घेवन रावपाची गरज ना. हांवें पयलींच्यान फॉल्स सेन्स ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शनचो शब्द वापरला. त्याच बरोबर आमी सरकार म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री कडेन ऑलरेडी चर्चा केल्या की इतलें आमकां टेस्टिंग करूंक जाय आनी चडशें आमकां ते एंटीजन टेस्टिंगाचेर अर्लियर इट वॉज एंटीजन टेस्टिंग केल्यार उपकारता आनी एंटीजन टेस्टिंगाचेर कॅपिंग आहा गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचो रेट आनी इज मोर अफोर्डेबल टू डू इट ऑन अ मास बेस बट नॉट बिफोर कितें जातालें पीपल इन्सिस्टेड द होल विलेज टू बी टेस्टेड लायक दॅट यू कॅनॉट डू you have to have very focused and it has to be very methodical. So we will do it. So give us another couple of days. We will put all these systems in place. No, one sec. Are Baba, no, you are making a. Say, listen, Suraj. If you want, I will ask Utkarsh to WhatsApp you exactly the number of stock that we have got. More than 4,000 stock with us. More than 3,500 kits have been already distributed. What you are giving information is maybe when it was started, because the first batch that came was around 750. Then after 2 days it came 850. We started from Panjim. We said let's start from Panjim. We finished Panjim. We said we'll go taluka wise to distribute. Others it will become a mess and there will be a confusion. As of now, we have got about more than 4,000 kits in stock, and total number of received in stock is close to around 8,944, and also stocks present with CCSD is 5,384. So around 3,000 plus kits have already gone into the people.
Can you just tell me what is the procurement cost of this?
You ask that you procurement cost will be there with the GMC. What is there? It was the quotations that were called based on which we got the price, and we have got all warranty, everything, all materials. Cipla is most of the medicines of Cipla.
You are talking about transparency most of the time. So I'm just asking you what will.
You put a letter to GMC. Will write to you. We'll give you all the statistics. You write whatever you want information. You can go to the dean, and you can sit with the purchase section, and you can give it. They will give you exactly what is the. No, basically, so whatever you want, whatever information you want, you can always ask GMC. Always, your paper always gets all the information you want. We will give you, support you. Tu sang Chennai ata tu GMC, you give him all the information. Nothing is here. Everything is through a standard procedure which is approved by the cabinet. We have got a joint purchase committee which is approved by the cabinet, for which permission has been given to take post facto cabinet approval in order to fast track whatever your procurement is. We are dealing with a pandemic called COVID, and also many times we have to modify what we want to get, because the doctors start sometimes when we get certain material, the doctors are not comfortable with that material. Sometimes we need to see what is their comfort zone. Sometimes we have to see what is workable. Sometimes they feel hot in a certain type of PPE. Even if we buy the best of PPE, then we have to modify it according to what they require. So this thing goes on changing. I have to tomorrow दिल्लीच्यान PPE धाडल्यो ते कोणाक दिल्यार कोण घालपाक तयार ना. कितें करूं? I can't do anything, because they find it very thick and they find it's not workable. If the nurse has to be in the ward for about 8 hours, it becomes very difficult. So it becomes very difficult to do. And most of the medication that are there in the kit are Cipla based medications, and we are following whatever is there. Tu je sangta initially period when you start, because these are good quality kits. These are not compromised kits. These are good quality kits which are there. So now we don't have any shortage. Now we can give any amount of people. And also we have taken a decision that people who cannot register online and people who are offline also, we are trying to reach out to them so that we can take care of them. So this is how we want to move forward. तुका कितेंय जर लागलें, डीनाक फोन मार, वचून बस, तुका पळोवंक जाय, you can see whatever, there is no issue. And you can also see what, if there are 4 people who have quoted, you can see whatever you want to see. I have no problem. We need to be, that's why we have roped in Goa Electronics, is that every data is digitized. You know, right from when we talked about post-COVID, we said all medication given to that patient during post-COVID treatment, till for the period he comes out of it, कितले फावट CT scan केला, कितें medication दिल्लें आसा. We need to do it, we need the data. And there is no question of, and तुका जर problem जाल्यार रोशन नाझरेतान तुका जर सांगलां म्हाका तारीख दी, and केन्ना, you just find out and you give him information as to why there was a delay. But initially we went taluka wise. Unless you finish one taluka, or see Panjim, Tiswadi is a big area. Tiswadi you complete, then go. Now there is no, now most of the areas we have already taken care of. So I don't think there should be any problem.
PHC Kandulim has got enough kits.
So आमी प्लाज्मा चालूच दवरतले. आमचे डॉक्टरान ऑलरेडी सांगला की आमकां बरे रिजल्ट्स आयले. प्लाज्मा बंद कर म्हणून खंयच येवंक ना.
they
Then-
will just indicate it.
Indicate or no indicate, as far as Goa is concerned, Kerala is concerned, Goa is concerned, we find that the plasma, remdesivir and steroids has been giving excellent results with the patient if it's timely used. So our doctors with their own experience will continue to give the treatment as is required. Goa will continue to use plasma along with a combination of remdesivir and also whatever they feel. And we have found that they have just now, Uday Kakodkar doctor is there, he was giving a simple he was giving an example, out of 263 patients for which plasma was given, it has had a good effect on about 186 or 180. 70% is the recovery rate in this combination and this combination. So we are not going to stop. We are going to use our doctors from the private sector and government sector as which is an expert committee. And as a result, under this expert committee, whatever is decided, that will be the protocol for the state of Goa.
काय वखदाबद्दल हे केला की काय वखदासाठी it can lead to kidney failures and all that.
Which is
काय असे वखदांच्या
it is already approved by FDA now. It is a full-fledged. They are already approved. It is approved by the FDA. So there is no question of not using it, and is giving excellent results.
सर थोडे PPE किट्स आसा पंचायत सभेची बंद करता जळयता सो ताका कितें इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आसा
PPE पंचायत आमचो संबंध कितें तेचो?
सर पण कितें तुमचे वरसून हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटा वरसून कितें पंचायतीक कितें तरी हे गेल्ले
आमचो संबंध येना न्ही तेका.
डिस्पोज कशें करपाचें
आमचे इन्सिनेटर
Incineration. All
All
PPE should be
incinerate.
incinerated.
All
And we are accepting all over Goa.
all over धाडून दिवन दी आमच्याकडे धाडून आम्ही इन्सिनेट
Whatever collector
जळोवपाक
tells.
अलाव आसा सर
हां
जळोवपाक आसा अलाव आसा
इन्सिनेटर
Segregation
segregation
of the waste.
incinerator
So red bags and yellow bags. Yellow bags, which is the COVID phase, all that waste goes to incineration at medical college.
ऑल द
Yeah,
पंचायत
the other, you must be talking about the other waste.
नो PPE
आयज पळयलां खंयचे तरी
Typically,
फोटो
COVID waste goes to.
पूण आतां ते कोणाचे आहा ते म्हाका खबर ना.
काल अशीच आमची ती हे जालें की नेरूल पंचायत जी आसा ती PPE किट स्पेशली जी धर्मा प्रोडक्शन्स जी शूटिंग चालू आसली तेंचे आनी जे
ना म्हाका पळय आतां ते सगळे तुमकां कलेक्टराक ऑफिशियली ते कंप्लेन करचे पडटले कारण तो आमचो संबंद येना डायरेक्टली. आमकां जो संबंद येता आमचे PHC, CHC हॉस्पिटलांचे जे मटेरियल आतां दे आर आस्किंग दॅट देयर वॉज अ फिल्म प्रोडक्शन उनका PPE मेरा संबंध म्हजो संबंध येना. कोणी परमिशन तांकां दिल्लें आसा तेणी ते गायडलायनान घालूंक जाय आसले की अशें अशें तुमी करूंक जाय. कोण खंयच्या ऑफिसरान दिले ताका धारेर धरा तुमी. खंयच्या ऑफिसरान ते शुटिंगेक परमिशन दिला तेणी ते गायडलायन्सान घालपाची गरज आशिल्ली.